She might not be having sex with you because she... Okay, reason number 4. Yeah. She might not be having sex with you because she gained weight and she doesn't feel sexy anymore. Okay, so if you are one of those guys that jokes about her weight, you are setting yourself up for failure.
Facts.
Do you understand? Because she might laugh on the outside, but on the inside, she's feeling more and more insecure.
Sure.
And guess what that means for you?
No sex. Man, you don't want that. But here's the fix, guys. Real simple. Just do things to make her feel sexy. Let her know she's sexy. You catch her in her moments. She's doing something, bending over a certain way. You know, just let her know how sexy she is. Like, damn, girl. Give her a little something.
Yeah.
You know, look her in her eyes.
Yeah.
And hold her.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Hold her and let her know how sexy she is.
Okay.
You know? Kiss her in the mouth.
Kiss her in the mouth.
Listen.
Huh?
Kiss her in the mouth.
Hard.
Listen, what happened to kissing in the mouth?
Gotta kiss her in the mouth. You got to grab her and kiss her in the mouth real hard.
That's
like
right.
back of her head,
Yes.
back of her neck.
Yes.
Ah. Do you
Yes.
understand? That's
Yes.
that passion beat.
Yes. That kind of thing lets a woman know that she is desired.
Absolutely.
It'll help you to help her boost her confidence. You know, because what happens with weight gain is you do lose confidence. No matter who you are. It's somewhere you're losing some confidence.
Yeah.
And if you letting her know that she's sexy just the way she is, that's going to boost her confidence up and it's only going to give you more sex.
Yes. And you know what, too? When a woman feels like you feel like she is sexy just the way that she is, it also prompts her to lose weight.
Yes.
Right? Because like, well, if he like me how I am right now,
Yes.
wait until he see, okay?
It's like getting 2 women. The old one and the new one.
Reason number 5. If she has recently had a baby, she may be experiencing postpartum depression, and that is the reason that she is not having sex with you.
Yes.
Okay? I know this, yes, this is a real thing. I had it myself. Okay? Now, it is hard for a woman with postpartum depression to take care of their own baby. Do you really think that sex is in the mix in their mind? It ain't. Right? So you're going to have to learn how to be patient. Men, hear this. Please. Postpartum depression is not just all in her mind.
Yes.
It is also a hormonal imbalance.
Facts.
Something that she cannot help. So if she is not having sex with you, please learn how to be patient with her as you would want her to be patient with you if you had erectile dysfunction.
Wow. And so what's the fix? I think you summed it up. The fix is being patient with her. You've got to be patient with her because this is something that's not her fault. She's dealing with something that she literally cannot control.
Beyond her control.
Right? So external things are external, but internal, you really can't control those things.
Right.
You know? And so you're going to have to be patient. I mean, support her and whatever that support is. If that means stepping up and doing things a little bit extra, you do those things. Because it's about, you know, her maintaining her mental and emotional health and maintaining the well-being of the family. All right? And it may take a little while. It may take, you know, a few months. It may take even a year. But if you're down for it, you're down for it. The time is not even an issue.
Right. And then in the grand scheme of things, 1 year is not a big deal if you're planning to be together for a lifetime.
Facts.
You get what I'm saying? Because you would want her, if you was down, come on now. You know you would want her to support you.
Yes.
You know that. So support her too.
Yes. Part 4 coming up. Don't miss it.
Yes, indeed.